Hi, Tony Fennell here, Prime Motor Cars in Scarborough, Maine, your Sprinter guy. Want to show you this beautiful red M1 CA 4G. It's a 2021 Mercedes-Benz 1500 cargo van, 144 wheelbase with the gasoline engine. Stock number MS15783. You can see the chrome grille, the beautiful red paint. We'll do a quick view around and back and in the front. Specially painted black steel wheels with the Continental all-season tires. The rear doors open 270 degrees, just about kiss the quarter panels. A hitch, step, easy access, wood floor, 6D rings, partition wall. The partition wall can come right out if you don't want it. Unscrews from around the perimeter, comes right out very easily. We'll come in through the passenger slider door. See how that slider door opens right up. Those doors open. Grab handle right here to get in. And a view from the passenger side. It has the black cloth seats, standard radio, well equipped, overhead storage compartment, thanks. Tony Fennell, Prime Motor Cars, your Sprinter guy. 978-764-1232. Please give me a call. I'll go over everything in detail. Have a great day.